Mother of the slain UK teenager Fiona McKeown's charge in a trial court alleging Home Minister Ravi Naik's involvement with the drug mafia in the state rocked the State Legislative Assembly on Tuesday.
Assembly proceedings were disrupted for the sixth time on Tuesday after the Speaker Pratap Singh Rane turned down demands from the opposition benches demanding a discussion on Fiona's statement in the trial court on Monday. On Monday, the Home Minister was accused in the court of heading the drug mafia. The mother of Scarlett Keeling, who has come to depose before the Children's Court, told media that she heard that Roy Naik was also involved in her daughter's death. The British mother had said that Ravi headed the drug mafia in Goa and his son, Roy, had fed Scarlett Keeling with drugs. Asking for discussion on the issue, the leader of the opposition, Manohar Parrikar, said that the issue was very serious in nature. Mr. Rane rejected Mr. Parrikar's demand, claiming the House could not take up the issue because it was sub judice.
Speaker sir, I have an adjournment motion under Rule 68 move केल्या.
I have rejected that adjournment motion because it does not fit within the rules of the House.
So where is the ruling?
Ruling is that it does not fit within the Rule 71. You look at Rule 71.
Speaker sir, adjournment motion of public importance. म्हाका दिसता आमी जो हे दिला.
It should fit within the framework of the rules of which I am guided. You look at Rule 71.
Rule 71 कितें म्हणटा?
You read. You are supposed to know.
No. If you have to give ruling. If I move.
Rule 71 says anything matter before any tribunal, any judicial body. And this matter is before a tribunal.
We are not talking about judicial. We are talking about a reported statement which has been given before the judicial.
This matter is before the judiciary. I cannot accept it.
Speaker sir,
we are talking. My ruling.
Speaker sir, matter आमी judiciary समोर तो discuss करूच नका.
But that is before.
But this is not what we are asking. Is not before the judiciary. What we are asking under 68 is very clear. It is matter of public importance. Speaker sir, Home Minister, stateच्या Home Minister direct allegation
can come under other sections.
Speaker sir,
other question you can put under 63.
Calling attention करू हाजेर प्रश्न जायना कारण this matter is been.
Adjournment motion will not come because it is guided. I am guided by the rules of the House.
Speaker sir,
keep the rules of the House.
No, you are guided by the rules of the House is correct.
Yes.
But what I am raising has nothing to do with the judiciary at all.
It is.
Is the matter
in the court of law.
Speaker sir, म्हाका एकूच विचारूंक जाय. Is the matter.
After his demand was rejected by the Speaker, Bharatiya Janata Party members stormed the well of the House, shouting slogans and crying "Shame, shame" against the ruling benches.
Your 0 hour. Hey, great. This is an important matter in 0 hour. Hey, no confidence motion. ते देवळांचे हाडला ते 0 hourचे क्वेश्चन आसा. 0 hourचे क्वेश्चन आसा इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. 0 hourचे क्वेश्चन इम्पॉर्टंट आहा देवळांचे ते घाल. 0 hourचे क्वेश्चन आसा इम्पॉर्टंट. 0 hourचे आपले रिगार्डिंग टेम्पल्स व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. कॉलिंग आय द मेनी इज 0 hour. House is adjourned for 10 minutes.
On 5 other occasions during the monsoon session of the State Assembly, the opposition had disrupted proceedings on the police-politician drug mafia nexus issue, claiming that the Chief Minister was shielding those involved in drug trade. On July 20th, 27th and 29th, the opposition had thrice disrupted the Assembly proceedings with a similar demand for a CBI inquiry into the drug nexus to which an Israeli newspaper was linked Home Minister Ravi Naik's son.
चिल्ड्रन्स कोर्टा फुडें तिणें अक्षरशः बरोवन दिल्लें आसा की हातूंत भितर मंत्री आनी मंत्र्याचो पुत्र इन्वॉल्व आसा. ताजें स्पश्टीकरण मागपा खातीर आमी एडजमेंट मागिल्लें. हें प्रकरण आसा तें सीबीआय कडेन दियात आनी लेट देम कम क्लीन आउट. सो अंडर रूल 68 प्रमाणे आमी तें स्थगन प्रस्ताव तांचे कडेन दिल्लो तो तांच्यांनी रिफ्यूज केला. म्हाका खबर ना सरकार ही गोष्ट सीबीआय कडेन दिवपाक कित्याक भिता. कारण हे सरकार पूर्णपणे भ्रष्टाचारान भरभटलेलें आसा आणि आमचे कडेन मागीर निषेध किंवा हे केले शिवाय आनी काय पर्याय ना. म्हणजे आमी खंयचो विधानसभेचो टायम पिड्यार करनासतना अवाजवी प्रश्न मांडूना आमी कांयच. म्हणजे आमी आयकतात ही लोकसभा खंडीत जाल्या इतले कोटीचें नुकसान किंवा हें जाल्लें आसा. हें न करता व्यवस्थीत टायम मॅनेजमेंट म्हणजे क्वेश्चन अवर सोंपतना किंवा 0 ओवराक किंवा व्यवस्थीतपणे आमचे डिमांड आमी आसा तेच मांडलेले आसा. सरकाराचो वेळूय पिड्यार करूना कांयच करूना. आनी दुसरें म्हणजे सरकारा कडेन कामात ना. तुमी पळयलां खंयची बिलां काय